Enchakese enkoma baby bia owo bia aha eye Adom TV na meka say the journey there Adom TV nko a na yebetimi e de april enti koso a na hwe Adom TV kwesi de bia e 6:30 na wajibre na one yen edi nkomo e wodwumadie so ena mini opanyin pa bi e ba bekasa na oye actor kakra na se politics kakra bejinem na nakakra so wom oye philanthropist kakra like oye bibia kakra ena ojeju bibia wodui mamenda aboafo amasomasin na wotwe bia betimi de journey april baby bia wo eye give us clean care osi oba wo se wo siesie fie eye toilets no sink ni bibia wonya give us for eniama wo betimi de clean na bibia aye kama afi time herbal mixture osi malaria de eye aduro bako wodi eno ewie no afi lip tomato paste osi afi fufura yesemu de ye no aduane pa na be no aduane ma na yeda eye lip tomato paste ye wi any the corn makeups for or more foundation or more powder anything beauty oko corn for so ye wo East Legon American House and so with my follow more Instagram social media baby na wetimi ato product TV ye wi no wapomodin kwa etisen eye dank herbal clinic for say omo Accra omo Kumasi na oba dank for ho say you stroke eye diabetes ya wi bia ewo honam no mu de oba ho a ombetimi aboa ama oho ato ene me guest eye me friend Leo na wa wo fie de wo friend say akokudufo eye Okatakyie Afrifa nana ena menyana ne nana obebodi ni nyina akye me na mentwadwan nana akwaba yemu na onzeni boko me pa che odi ni nyina asese yesen ko ese yebodi ne kura Leo no de nka wo yakofa asoma ba me sika me yakofa asoma ba Leo no eye edin a me papa de mame okay yeah so on record no eno na yeso no ya ba no okay yeah na so many bebie no a me hunu se kwasi broni fa kwati kwan so adi ne din toto ye so si e friend Christian name na mbusa me won se nyankopon so do obi adia na so on pa jeman ate wo heaven dia ene na chese on paying e wo heaven ho na so tuntumfo nka ho etimi ho se there be a slave name okay no mo pe kwan bi so de omudin atoto ye so na they had to give us names to differentiate between oba ne bema okay eti omuye no mo de fa Kristo so mu ande be yi afri ho eti say edi ni Okatakyie Afrifa mensa okay Okatakyie Afrifa mensa ahini no kranti na Okatakyie no aka how does it feel to be in this industry we started acting kakra enehwe baby awoko awani ayedin sa Okatakyie na ehye ho ana say you were just keeping it ana bibi na akanyawo ama when you that boldness to do things that the youth they can't do it. What's your secret? Okay. Broni Kroya American asimo free baby survival instincts. Okay. Ni nyina na say wo abofra de wo famu no. No ana e determine say oba be ye asimasi ana obenten. It is a one nsuam reketu, one nsuam kukuduro, one nsuam hwea. I'm so quite so no became me media no my barber to a yes system one may push you with all the energy I have. I could draw no if you tinting now so not Ghana for no we are colana to semia yes say wa colabone near bono near pana pempem no de you mo de it me brother me dibi papa and sana baby me drive say nipa nyina ko aye left here because me kohwe de nti obi anko right no enko ho na maduru ho kwa me nko ho misimifiri wo na ebe ba ase enne no o kasama Ghana it's when it happens like that na be zakra imu ade but not no krebi na woka. Do you have any ambition for politics? Okay, the woman ye woman to NPP fee it be NPP ni by birth. Okay, say be o ya wo na ma me no papa ye meto me we ya meto disini danso na politics ya wo to eye ekuo bi mu a ne papa mu a the usual way is that obenene mu a no aye communicator ma party bi na wadidi mu a na party na ba ben mu no akọ preposition bi na wadidi mu a nanka wodi akopie top wo na so me ba wi asem mpa dia ye ni usual
Eba ye me hunu say NPP ni NDC. Kwa bi so no wo mo de Ghana fo nam kwati kwan so bu ekwa mu da bia. Ehwedi nam se sabi eba kasa minim kasa. Eba nimdi anso amesua de kakra. Eba fie nyansa nam se mesi agya hene beto no ya kokura ni nti fie nyansa so mo kakra. Etika metimi no o manam ne sade nam no nanso yesa na me bobrete. Me bobre ne se me pese me ba na nokure bi anipa ntimi nka na meka. Na me sha siasa meka no na dodo na akwa betimi a president am se Ghana for mo nka nokure. Me be president sisi ya ma bobebem. Mo so mo mpe ma boy mo pe na da. Eti media Martin Luther wa mayor president.
Yes.
Marcus Garvey wa mayor president.
Okay.
Mahatma Gandhi na so be president. And so out of freedom fighters in the world, very few people looking across the length and breadth of the freedoms of the black people. And for mo champion the yenyo be an be president.
Okay.
It's about speaking truth to power and emancipating the minds of our people.
Wow.
Nyase bi ase bo bi be so president.
Okay.
Na so se koduru baby ni aka ho asemu a na omo sese bi omu ntia saka na ni omu nko omu dia Ghana ni nyina ye dia ti eduru ba bi ni ehwe ni aka wo mu so omu ntia. You can only shake a table you have a seat at. You can't shake the table from outside.
Okay.
Eduru ba bi e dia ho bagim na se parliament na esi ewura mu a na nso yemfa kwati kwan said the dodo na waye no be mfi aduasa ne
kakra. Why fix the country? Do you think say country need to fix?
You can't fix the country. And you never started.
Oh sir.
Every 1897 and started. So waba abeto system bi. Na hu say system na mwa adasa. Etu pese sebio omon fixes our system.
Okay.
1897 ni Afrifa papa bi mensa saba. No ye lawyer ni Fantini. Oko Fantipim school ba bi amesume ko school. Na waba ye no hwe system no se kwasi broni aba wa ba fie gold ye da mo ye bauxite ye bibia wo wie ya o makofa mra bia ba ye friend the Crowns Bill and the Crowns Act Bill says bi o mo de baji ansa ase no kura na akoya Queen Elizabeth dia I say no, we have to fix this system. Mo tie mo no mo form Aborigines Right Protection Society. Okay. Say ye fam fixes our system no. Okay. Wo mo de tie ni ankusiaga no ye to sa mra no. About 100 years down the lane, 1947. Yes, Kubi, our Motrans and Mote, Universal United Gold Coast Convention, UGCC. So, Kuno, Yakuma Jemo, Yakana say, Danquamo, and Momaka, Kufumo, no Mus Shares. Wamosho system no honor, and your papa. It's a system where kwasi broni fa ye go de da mo no de ko no me bibi kakra bi ne aboense mama de wompe ne pamu wo mo kwa me nkroma be join ne ye wo hunu said there be system no said the embassy of fight ye use different means now or forever we must say now no so kwati CPP 1948 edidi mu 1957 be 10 years ya pamu aprofu yi mo mko 60 de ne no mo wie kura ye didim ku di taba ya di abayaba ya tuno say ya ne yede be pie 1992. Okay. 1992 system no ne ya carry ne on wa besi ne ana mranti aba but mamenka wo say sa fix the country no kura nipa in the last 30 years wadi mu akotene pa ya president ya what is in another Danko Akufo-Addo. I see. 1995 wo hwedin was JJ Rollins wa memu a wo boy for program for action to mitigate the PAPSCAT. For economic yaba. I'm a man for no children. Who ya was for value that the tax the abase would be boom for the gum nanado then and crow for said that Kwakubakumu. Your friend say Yahutama Kulumu, Tarzan, and no more Maka, or more form alliance for change. What would ye come a demonstration? I want to know, see, and fix a country, no. Yeah, the 2009, Professor Mills be president on the May 9th. The word fix and maybe a free buy. May 9th, 2009. Now Professor Mills be president need 6 months. Now do Danko Akufo-Addo my public speech. No say. Instead of Professor Mills giving us a lean government, he has ended up giving us a lean kinky. And he continues to give excuses upon excuses that the Kufuor's administration has broken the economy. I say to President Mills today, if you say the economy is broke, fix it. Oh. So I want to fix it in the free buy. ana Nanado abetra so na manfo na eka so mo so ho kire wo so policies ade ba no ebu mu kom etimi manwuma nkoso kwan no we ya adwuma kakra we ba osmentoa so na sika Ghana asai ni nyina agunwuram constitution no amokofa ba ye ni JJ Rawlings constitution that time no ye dictator no oba a taste of dictator the constitution no aye one legged yes here were 3 arms of government so ba ko wa chen ba ko timrantia na de omoka no womonka bibia apart from the Nanado from 1995 one was siswa ni asu ye ka bia ma no we are telling him say you about time go from you should fix it yasuku inya papa akoye chi wampo enkula ibesua de sa wo beba de adwuma to nan mo ntimi nya so we should fix the education your constitution nya papa constitution no achia ti Nanado boa emiam fix it niama ye kanyina ne se be ya Ghana fo ye ho beto yen na yetimi ayasa America and UK na hwade yesi apese ayasa America and UK fo enso de omo ye bia ye nya bi said the omo ye o makwan ye die ye ne tantan ade che ya na tutu no masade am contract no modidi. So what we are saying is that we want the leadership of this country to fix the country in such a way that corruption will be unattractive. Sika ye we are in the name of the law. JJ Rawlings in the Kofa constitution ibaya Nanado mretente no ni JJ nka osisa JJ Rawlings constitution a dictator's constitution. And soon they will betra home a constitution and momu di sika nyafu. Oye hwe so fix it in the Nanado na by nemrantia yeso.
Na moso. Na hu se eya na wonsuro. Wadwen wabusia no abrabo ho. Ana eye kabima menka binti.
Eya da ya bibi na ese kum dipa. Na se mede o my Ghana besimani so. Se meko amo my Ghana. Na se no na mefa mu ahwere me nkwade a. Enya de ham bebri. Ade kire se ofo obi te se Martin Luther. Wono so ye nioma se ya no fa mo hwere ne nkwa. Bob Marley, Marcus Garvey. Wo mo nyina wo mo hwere mo nkwa fighting for the spirit of a yesabio liberation. Na se me so mefa sa kwan no so na brebe wan me hwere me nkwa. It is better to live when you are dead than to die when you are alive. Etimedia dia me pese esie ene se be se me kon age me mai. Now the secret to life is to have no fear. Fear is just a psychological warfare. Who be a puno na urema fear no eko.
Okay.
Media minsuro se meka no kra kira da sa. Amo mahwe nipa no yie, ama nipa no apagya ayesa America ni UK for. Ano befa ho akumia. I think I'm ready for that.
He thinks he's ready for that. You try your home encouraging carto yoba is still the journey and Kobibia.
Time leaves.
Say malaria, when I'm not too for I want to so time ever make sure malaria, when I'm not too for I want to so time ever make sure, time ever make champion, fever draw, booking con, upon me dear draw, tatache, and one time ever make sure, time ever make sure, time ever make sure, time ever make sure. On your menu phone, I'm afraid on the Fiedumiano, ain't me Fedri.
Hospital, and NASA lab, me and you a 3-day monshushimu, and send away to me and no medro yibi.
Kayo, set time no, a TIME.
FDA aji ejadien kratwe atum.
Hi darling.
Obi a ha ye fia no ntima kwa kotoka pete bra.
Me sa koka eye givers multi-purpose cleaner. Eni jo hawayo.
Ha ye hwam papa.
Wow, you use terrazzo and a rubber carpet. Ni na obetime use.
Mama me.
Emi.
Givers multimedia cleaner.
Eye givers multi-purpose cleaner. Givers liquid detergent. And no na ma ha ye am saying.
Wow. Why you there?
But I say, yakwe. Oh! Don't worry. Give us Roseau na that romantic. What time you better house is here? Give us Roseau. I'm a young sad to say wine.
Entina me do we.
Give us Roseau with the senior man. And many ye crojin. And yan na ewo Ghana ha. Sa wo pedudu etu. Obetimi afre Give us clean care. Ewo 0543 222 470.
so na mo dey area. Ah? I don't want to leave tomato mix in Ghana. Ah! Yankwe.
This is what I call Adriana.
Secret nani LEAP. Lip. Someone who a leaf tomato mix there. It was superb and palatable taste. Nurse will be also. There were large and small sizes for chop bars, restaurants, and if you.
This advert is FDA approved.